भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो माया संख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिज विषयान् प्राश्य भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ न स्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 147। टीका। न भेदवादानाम् उत्प्रेक्षा मात्र मूलत्वं श्रुति मूलत्वात् इति आशंक्य परिहरति। पूर्वपक्षी saying that the bhedavada jiva ishvara bheda is not only utpreksha, means it is not a kalpana matram, it has shruti moolatvat. This is the ashanka. Karikakara is eliminating this ashanka. जीवात्मनो पृथक्त्वं यत् प्रागुत्पत्तेः प्रकीर्तितम् भविष्यद्वृत्त्या गौणं तन् मुख्यत्वं हि न युज्यते। जीवात्मनोः यत् पृथक्त्वं, between जीवात्मा and परमात्मा. जीव means जीवात्मा, आत्मा means परमात्मा. जीवात्मनोः, जीवात्मा परमात्मनोः यत् पृथक्त्वं, the distinction what is spoken where prag utpattehe prakirtitam, in Vedas before utpatti means before Vedanta prakarana. During Purva Mimamsa, utpattehe prag yat prakirtitam, what is spoken, Siddhanti says tat bhavishyad vrittya gaunam. It is only a secondary thing, keeping in mind bhavishyad vritti. Bhavishyad vrittya tan gaunam. Mukhyatvam hi na yujyate. It is not mukhyam. In other words, we accept that Vedas talk about Jivatma Paramatma Bheda. But also that Bheda is Gauna teaching. And the Mukhya teaching is Ekatvam. अद्वितीयत्व. Because Purva Pakshi may say, in Vedas, you are focusing only on Jivatma, Paramatma, Aikya Vakyas, but there are Vakyas which talk about Jiva being Upasaka, Paramatma being Upasya, Jivatma, Paramatma Bheda. All these Vakyas you are neglecting, avoiding, not discussing, and you are only focusing on Aikya. So Siddhanti says, Prithakvam is said, but it is Gauna teaching. Mukhya teaching is Ekatvam. Tika, Utpatti hi, because Prag Utpatti hai. What is Utpatti? Utpatti hi, Vyutpatti hi, Samyak Jnanam. Tad Arthopanishadam Pravritti Apekshaya Prak. Pravritta Karma Kandena. Yat Paraparayoho Nanatvam Uktam. Tad Odanam Pachati iti Bhavishyad Vrittya. तंडुलेषु ओदनत्ववत् गौणम एव न मुख्य भेदार्थत्वम श्रुतेः युज्यते. Utpatti means vyutpatti. Vyutpatti means samyak jnanam. Now you see somebody will say, what is this? How did you translate utpatti as vyutpatti? So he says, vi upasarga purvak utpatti is vyutpatti. Vyutpatti means samyak jnanam. Samyak jnanam is given in Upanishad. So, tad artha Upanishadam pravritti. And tad apekshaya prak. When Upanishad pravritti happens, means before Vedanta comes, before Jnana Kanda comes, prior to that which is pravritta. Prak pravritta is Karma Kanda. So, Upanishadam pravritti apekshaya Prak pravritta karma kandena yat paraparayoho nanatvam uktam. That nanatvam which is spoken uktam of parapara. Paraparayoho nanatvam uktam. Tat nanatvam means many of jiva, manyness of jiva, nanatvam uktam. Tad odanam pachati iti bhavishyad vrittya tanduleshu odanatvavat. Odanam pachati. Odanam means rice. Odanam pachati is bhavishyad vrittya tanduleshu odanatvavat. So odanam pachati is actually nothing but tandulam pachati. But instead of saying tandulam means the raw rice is getting cooked, if somebody says odanam pachati, odanam is already cooked rice. So in future it is going to become odana. So bhavishyad vrittya tanduleshu odanatvavat upachara. This is the secondary kind of statement. Gaunam eva na mukhya bhedarthatvam shrutehe yujyate. This is gaunam. It is not mukhya bhedartha. So between jiva and between jivatma and paramatma, whatever bheda is mentioned, it is not mukhya bheda. It is only gaunam. Gaunam eva na mukhya bhedarthatvam shrutehe yujyate. Bhedasya apurvatva. So now you can see 10, 11, 12 tippani. Tanduleshu anodaneshu tanduleshu yatha odana vyavaharo gauna. That which is not odana, tandula. In that odana vyavahara is a gauna vyavahara. Tatha, in the same way, dvitiye means in dvaita, in the other, dvaita vyavahara is gauna eva. Ityartha. Gauna means aropitam. And mukhya means anaropita. Bheda अनारोपित मुख्य भेदार्थत्वम, मुख्यत्वम न मुख्य भेदार्थत्वम मीन्स अनारोपित भेद प्रतिपादकत्वम न. So the Veda is not anaropita, Veda is aropita by Shruti. Actually, it is called Anuvada. What is there in the Laukika Buddhi is alone translated by Shruti, just to show that this is what you think, this is what you understand. And then Shruti says something which is anadhigata, otherwise not known, and it is abadhita, then only it is pramana. भेदस्य अपूर्वत्व पुरुषार्थत्वयोः अभावात् इत्यर्थः. भेद ज्ञानम और भेद बुद्धि is neither अपूर्व nor it is पुरुषार्थ. अपूर्वत्व पुरुषार्थत्व योः अभावात्, because भेद is already known, it is not apurva. Abhed jnanam is apurva. What is not otherwise already known is abheda, and in that there is purushartha. Many times people, when they study or listen to some discourses, where should the emphasis be? Something that I already know. That same thing, if it is said in different ways. So I have Bheda Buddhi, and the new Jnanam is also about Bheda Buddhi. Then that Jnanam is not substantially taking me forward. What will take me forward is only when I have Abheda Jnanam. So if I already know Bheda, I have been listening to it from Shastra, then it is not Apurva. It is Purva Jnatam. It will not be my Purushartha. Shloka Vyavartyam Ashankam Aha. Now, so Tika is over on the Karika. Now, Bhashya on Karika. So, what is the Shanka that is eliminated by this Karika, by this Shloka? That Shanka is said by Bhashyakara. Shlokena Vyavartya Ya Shanka Tam Shankam Aha. That Shanka which is eliminated by this shloka, that Shanka is said by Bhashyakara. Nanu Shrutyapi Jiva Paramatmanoho Prathakvam Yat Pragutpattehe Utpatyartha Upanishad Vakyabhyah Purvam Prakirtitam Karmakande. Nanu Shrutyapi Pruthaktvam Prakirtitam. By Shruti, Pruthaktvam is also said. You are just focusing on Apruthaktvam, but Pruthaktvam api Prakirtitam Shrutya. Tasya Pruthaktvam Jiva Paramatmanoho. So he focuses on Jivatma Paramatma because that is the Mukhya Vichara. But Tikakar also mentioned Nanatvam. That means Bheda Buddhi only between Jivatma and Paramatma. Paraparayoho. Para Atma and Apara Atma means Jivatma. Pruthakvam Yat Prag Utpattehe Utpatyartha Upanishad Vakyabhyah. Utpatti Artha 4 number tippani. Utpatti Artha Upanishad Vakyabhyah Purvam. तथा च उत्पत्ति अर्थक उपनिषद वाक्यैहि एव न भेद प्रतीयते. किम तरहि, in kim there is anuswara needed. किम तरहि ततः प्राक् प्रवृत्तेः कर्मकांड वाक्यैहि अपि स्पष्टम उक्तः. सो उपनिषद वाक्यैहि न भेद प्रतीयते. उत्पत्ति अर्थकः उपनिषद वाक्यैहि एव न भेद प्रतीयते. किम तरहि ततः प्राक्. those statements which are prior to Upanishad Vakyas, Prak Pravrittaihi Karmakanda Vakyaihi. In the Karmakanda Vakyaihi, api Spashtam Uktaha. Uktaha kaha? Karmakanda Vakyaihi. Karmakanda Vakyaihi api Spashtam Uktaha. Bhedaha. उपनिषद वाक्यैः एव न भेदः प्रतीयते. कर्मकांड वाक्यैः अपि स्पष्टम् उक्तः भेदः इति. न स घटाकाशादि दृष्टान्तैः अन्यथा नेतुं शक्यः. So Purvapakshi will say that bheda, you cannot just brush it aside by using Ghatakasha, Mahakasha, Drashtanta and say, see, there is no bheda. Shruti herself is talking about it. In fact, in Upanishad Vakya also, before Mahavakya teaching is imparted, when Guru is there, Shishya is there, Shishya approaches Guru, then he will ask some question. And when Guru begins the teaching by giving the Tvam-pada or Tat-pada Jnanam separately, that is all Bheda only. There is no Abheda. So that all that Jnanam is Bheda Jnanam. Iti na sa Ghatakashadi Drishtantaihi anyatha netum shakyah. Bhedaha Ghatakashadi Drishtantaihi anyatha netum na shakyah. You cannot just keep that Bheda somewhere else and give only Ghatakasha Mahakasha example. You have to explain what is the position of that Bheda which is given by Veda. Bheda which is given by Veda. You will have to explain. Upanishad Vakyabhyah Purvam Karmakande Prakirtitam. Karmakande, see 1 number tippani. Chitraya yajet pashukamaha. Karirya yajet vrishtikamaha. Jyotishtomena yajet swargakamaha. Ityadi vakyaihi iti bodhyam. So, here in Karmakanda, somebody is Pashukamaha, somebody is Vrishtikamaha, somebody is Swargakamaha, somebody is Putrakamaha. Each one has to do different yaga with the different karakas. Tika. Na kevalam asmabhihi utprekshitam idam. Kintu shrutyapi darshitam iti apehe arthaha. न केवलम अस्माभिः उत्प्रेक्षितम. This is not something which is said only by us. Utprekshitam asmabhihi. Kintu, but shrutyapi darshitam. By shruti also this is shown. This is the meaning of api. Apehe arthaha. What is, where is this api? Shrutya api, that api. Nanu Shrutya api, found in Bhashya second word, first line itself. Shrutya api darshitam iti apehe artha. Bhedam vadantyaha shrutes tatparya lingam abhyasam suchayati. Bhedam vadantyaha shrutehe. Shruti which speaks of bheda. Bhedam vadanti iti श्रुति. भेदम वदन्त्याः श्रुतेः. भेद बताने वाली श्रुति. श्रुतेः तात्पर्य लिंगम अभ्यासम सूचयति. Its तात्पर्य लिंगम is abhyasa. Purvapakshi will say. Means he wants to show Shadvidalinga are justifying Bheda. You will say Shadvidalinga Tatparya Nirnaya is justifying Abheda. He will say Shadvidalinga Tatparya Nirnaya is justifying Bheda. How? He said there is Abhyasa, where अनेकशः कामभेदतः इदं कामो अधः काम इति. So this is what कारिर्या, चित्रया, ज्योतिष्ठोमा, puttrakama. The different kamanas are there, and based on kama bheda, for person who is vrishtikamah, putrakamah, pashukamah, swargakamah ityadi, adhakama, 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 so many kamanas are there. So there is abhyasa, and all of them, they should have jivatma paramatma bheda buddhi. Jivatma is different, paramatma is different. Then only you will have kamana, you will perform some yaga, some devata will fulfill your wishes, your desires. Those devatas are granted all the powers by Ishvara, Paramatma. So Paramatma, Devata fulfills all the Jivatmas, whatever desires that they have. In this way, everything will function. Iti. Tika. Karmakande तत्तत् कामना भेदेन नियोज्य भेद सिद्धावपि कथम जीव परयोः भेदः सिद्ध्यति परस्य तत्र अनुक्तत्वात् इति आशंक्य आह. कर्मकांडे, इन कर्मकांड, तत्तत् कामना भेदेन नियोज्य भेद सिद्धौ अपि. When kamana bheda is there in karma kanda, then what is shown? Niyojya bheda is siddha. Niyojya means the karma adhikari. Somebody who says, I am putra kama, he will not be told, you do pashu kama. Person who is interested in pashu, whatever he does, you also do that. They will not do. Pashukama will do different yaga. Putrakama, different yaga. So, tattat kamana bhedena niyojya bheda siddhavapi katham jiva parayoho bheda siddhyati. Siddhanti will ask. Okay, let us say different people are asked to do different karma because they have different kamana. How do you prove jivatma paramatma bheda? Because parasya tatra anuktatvat iti ashanka. Paramatma is not mentioned there in those. So the way I explained, that is the easy way from Bhagavad Gita on you can connect. That there is a jiva who will perform some yaga, will be blessed by some devata. Yo yo yam yam tanum bhaktah shraddhayarchitum ichchati. Tasya tasya chalam shraddham tameva vidadhami aham. Aham Paramatma will bless those devatas who will in turn bless the jivas. Here, Vedic way is explained now. Iti ashankya aha. Parasya tatra anuktatvat. So Paramatma is not mentioned. So now you see Bhashya. Parascha sadadhara prithivim dhyam ityadi mantra varnaihi. Hiranyagarbha, that is quoted, see in Tika. Hiranyagarbha samavartata agre. Iti mantra. Hiranyagarbha samavartata agre. भूतश्च जातः पतिरेक आसीत् सदाधार पृथिवीं द्याम उते माम कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम. This is the full mantra in the Veda. Hiranyagarbha samavartatagre. Agre, in the beginning, Hiranyagarbha samavartata. He is there. That Hiranyagarbha is called Paramatma, according to Shastra here. So then there is Jivatma and Paramatma. Hiranyagarbha samavartatagre. Who is he? Bhutascha jataha patihi ek asit. He is the patihi, ruler of Bhuta Samuha. Bhutascha jataha patihi. Sadadhar prithivim. Here they have given little bit in Tika. इति मंत्रे प्रकृतो हिरण्यगर्भः सर्वनाम्ना परामृश्यते. He is referred by सर्वनाम para. That para is saha, sadadhar. So that's sarvanama. स ही इमां पृथिवीं द्याम अपि धृतवान. This prithvi he supported, he held this prithvi. Otherwise what would happen? अन्यथा गुरुत्वात् तयोः अवस्थान अयोगात्. Otherwise it is so heavy, prithvi would fall down. So that Hiranyagarbha is holding, not necessarily from the bottom with the hand, with the niyamas. न च हिरण्यगर्भातिरिक्तम् ईश्वरं परे बुध्यन्ते. Mimamsakas, they don't consider any other Ishvara other than Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbhatiriktam pare, pare means these other people. Atiriktam Ishwaram na buddhyante. They don't know any other Ishvara. Means this Hiranyagarbha alone is the ultimate. There is nothing superior to that, according to those people. Mantravarnaihi parascha prakirtitah iti sambandha. And by the mantravarnas, paraha prakirtitah. So, by those mantras where Purusha Suktam ityadi, whatever is chanted, this paraha is referred. So, even though they are referring to Virat, they say this is the ultimate, means Virat in its Sukshma form earlier was Hiranyagarbha. Parascha prakirtitah iti sambandha. Karma kandartham ज्ञानकांडेन अपबाध्य ज्ञानकांडार्थस्य एव एकत्वस्य सामंजस्यम् अवधार्यताम् इति आशंक्य बाध्य बाधक भाव निर्धारणे कारण अनवधारणात् मैवम् इत्याह. कर्मकांडार्थम ज्ञानकांडेन अपबाध्य ज्ञानकांडार्थस्य एव एकत्वस्य सामंजस्यम अवधार्यता. So the ekatva, Purvapakshi says, this ekatva is only for jnanakanda. Jnanakandarthasya eva ekatvasya samanjasya. It is appropriate only in jnanakanda. For karmakanda, karmakandartham jnanakandena apavadya, that which is not negated by jnanakanda, jnanakandena apavadya. By jnanakanda, that dvaitam which is mentioned in karmakanda is not negated. And the ekatva which is mentioned in jnanakanda, you keep it only there. Jnanakandarthasya eva ekatvasya samanjasyam avadharyatam. You keep it there. Iti ashankya. Avadharanam means you have it there alone and not in karmakanda. Iti ashankya. बाध्य बाधक भाव निर्धारणे कारण अनवधारणात् मैवम इत्याह. Siddhanti says that is not true, because when you do बाध्य बाधक भाव निर्धारणम निश्चय, will द्वैतम negate advaitam or advaitam negate dvaitam? This discussion you will have to take up. Shruti talks about Dvaitam also, Shruti talks about Advaitam also. Means Shruti talks about Bheda, Shruti talks about Abheda. Which will do Badha of what? Badhya Badhaka Bhava Nirdharane Karana Anavadharanat. So at that time, you will not have Karana Avadharanam. Karana Avadharanam means you will not be able to say what comes first is Karanam. What comes later is Karyam. In this way, you will not be able to put. or you will not be able to say for a particular karanam because of which Dvaitam is the one which will going to decide the negation of Advaitam. But you will have a reason where you can say Advaitam is the one which can do Bhada of Dvaitam. What is that? That he is going to elaborate. But what we know already is this. Dvaitam is also available through other pramana. Pratyaksha, Anumana, ityadi pramana, they are already talking about Dvaitam. Shruti pramana need not talk about what is already available through other pramanas. But if Shruti is talking about something which is not known through other pramana, that can be justified. So that is more appropriate. Tatra Shinbhashya now. Tatra katham karma jnana kanda vakya virodhe ज्ञान कांड वाक्यार्थस्य एव एकत्वस्य सामंजस्यम अवधार्यते इति. In case of karma kanda vakya and jnana kanda vakya, when there is virodha, and actually this mimamsa in Advaita Siddhi also these things keep coming, because Purva Pakshi will use some karma kanda vakya and there he will say, see, Pratyaksha is Prabala or Shastra is Prabala. I'll give you one sample. In Mahavakya, Tattvam Asi. Tat Padartha is Chaitanya plus Samashti, Sthula Sukshma Karana Prapancha, that is Maya. Tvam Padartha is Chaitanya plus Sthula Sukshma Karana Sharira. When Tattvam Asi is imparted, between Vachyartha, is there Aikya or not? Between Vachyartha, is there Aikya? No. So what do? We use Lakshana and we come to Lakshyartha. So Purva Pakshi will say, you are taking Lakshana, you are not using Vachyartha because there is Virodha with Pratyaksha Pramana. Pratyaksha Pramana shows that Jivatma is Alpagnya, Paramatma is Sarvagnya. Pratyaksha Pramana shows that Jivatma is Alpa Shakti, Paramatma is Sarva Shakti. So the Virodha is evident through Pratyaksha Pramana. If Pratyaksha Pramana shows Virodha, that means you consider Pratyaksha as more powerful than Shastra Pramana. Therefore, in order to accommodate Pratyaksha, you use Lakshana. If Pratyaksha was not powerful, you would not have taken Lakshana. You would have just said, no, Pratyaksha is saying Bheda, Shastra is saying Abheda, so drop Pratyaksha. But you won't be able to do it. You will have to do work around. That means you are giving reality to Pratyaksha Pramana, and Pratyaksha is showing Dvaitam. So these kind of discussions, they keep coming in different ways, in different places. Tatra katham कर्म ज्ञान कांड वाक्य विरोधे ज्ञान कांड वाक्यार्थस्य एव एकत्वस्य सामंजस्यम अवधार्यते. When there is virodha between karma kanda and jnana kanda vakya, then why do you take jnana kanda vakya alone as appropriate? Samanjasya means that alone is right, which is showing ekatva. So jnana kanda vakyarthasya eva ekatvasya samanjasyam कथम अवधार्यते? व्हाई डू यू से दिस इति? सी नाउ सेकंड एंड थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी। तत्र इति एकत्व अनेकत्वयोः उभयोः अपि वेदार्थत्व इत्यर्थः। वेदार्थ, the meaning of Veda is ekatva also and anekatva also, ubhayoho. This is what the Bhaskaracharya mata, Bheda, Abheda, Bheda, Bhedavada. Ekatva is also right, anekatva is also right. So Vedartha is both. And somebody may say. कर्म ज्ञान कांड इति अत्र ज्ञान कांडे उपनिषद गत अद्वैत प्रकरणोक्ति सृष्ट्यादि वाक्य वर्जम इति भाव। ज्ञान कांड मीन्स नॉट ऑल पार्ट्स ऑफ उपनिषद, ओनली देयर वेयर अद्वैत प्रकरण इज मेंशन्ड। सृष्टि प्रकरण एंड ऑल, इट इज ऑल द्वैतम ओनली। नेक्स्ट कारिका विल टॉक अबाउट इट। सृष्ट्यादि वाक्य वर्जम, वर्जम मीन्स leaving aside सृष्ट्यादि वाक्य, discarding सृष्ट्यादि वाक्य, only those vakyas which talk about abheda in the advaita prakaranas, that is called jnana kanda. सृष्ट्यादि वाक्य in Upanishad, upasana vakya in Upanishad is not called jnana kanda. That's why we said in Chandogya Upanishad 3 chapters are Jnana Kanda, 6, 7, 8. Others are Upasana. In those 3 chapters also, if the Upasana is going on like Naradji and Sanat Kumara, then that earlier portion is all Upasana only. Atra uchyate. So, Shlokaksharaihi Uttaram Aha. Now, the Acharya Bhashyakara is using Karika Shabdas. Atra uchyate. यतो वा इमानि भूतानि जायन्ते यथा अग्नेः क्षुद्राः विस्फुलिङ्गाः तस्माद् वा एतस्माद् आत्मनः आकाशः सम्भूतः तदैक्षत तत्तेजो असृजत् इत्यादि उत्पत्त्यर्थोपनिषद् वाक्येभ्यः प्राक् पृथक्त्वं कर्मकाण्डे प्रकीर्तितं यत् तन्न परमार्थम्. So yato va imani bhutani jayante, in this bheda buddhi is there. Srishti. Agnehe kshudra visfulinga. Srishti. First one is Taittiriya. Second is Brahadaranyaka. Similar one is in Mundaka also. Then Tasmadva Etasma, this is Taittiriya. Tadekshata Chandogya. Tattejo Asrajata Chandogya. All these are Utpatti Artha Upanishad Vakyas. वाक्येभ्यः प्राक् पृथक्त्वं कर्मकाण्डे प्रकीर्तितम्. इन कर्मकाण्ड पृथक्त्वं प्रकीर्तितम्. There what is mentioned is जीवात्मा is different, परमात्मा is different. यत् प्रकीर्तितं तन्न परमार्थम. That is not ultimate teaching. किं तर्हि गौणम्. It is all गौणम्. टीका. मुख्यत्वं हि इत्यादि व्याचष्टे नहीं. In Bhashya, Mahakasha Ghatakashadi Vedavat. There, na Paramartham. Why? Because somebody, when talks about Veda between Mahakasha and Ghatakasha, it is not Mukhya Veda, it is Gauna. Yatha Odanam Pachati iti Bhavishyad Vrittya Tadvat. Odanam Pachati is Bhavishyad Vritti Vakya, because right now there is no Odanam. Like if somebody says, रोटी पका रहा है, रोटी पकाते नहीं है, आटा पका के रोटी बनाते हो. रोटी इज ए फाइनल प्रोडक्ट, तो रोटी पकाना नहीं है, बट इन फ्यूचर इट विल बिकम रोटी. सो इट इज भविष्यद वृत्त्या. 4 नंबर टिप्पणी. उत्तरत्र उत्पत्त्यादि वाक्यैहि महाकाश घटाकाशादि भेद तुल्यो यो भेदः प्रतिभासते सह एवं पुरस्तात् कर्मवाक्यैहि उक्त इति गौण एव इति भावः. Prior to उत्तरत्र उत्पत्त्यादि वाक्यैः यो भेदः प्रतिभासते स एवं पुरस्तात् कर्मवाक्ये. So by this vakya, utpatti vakya, the bheda which is appearing through pratyakshadi pramana to those people who don't think, that bheda is spoken, therefore it is gavana. Once you think, once you take shastra pramana, then you understand this bheda is not satya. Nahi, we will begin from there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.